We got him finally.
I got the big bass.
How much does he weigh?
Here.
Got him.
You got your scale? Did you leave your scale up there?
Oh, it's right there.
Look at that.
Take a picture. I want to take a picture with this. Oh, this is 4 pounds, 13
Here,
ounces.
let me see it.
4 pounds. It's still in his mouth.
Yeah, we're gonna leave that in there because the hook's in his gut. I don't want to pull it out and kill him. So hold
It's
on.
not-
Bring it over
no.
here. Bring it over here. We're gonna cut the line.
Is that the big bass?
Mhm.
The big catfish is bigger.
Bring it over here because it's as far as this can go.
If you, s-
Can I lift them?
is a
Can you take this
Let's take
off?
some good
is the hook
pictures.
in it?
Yeah, he's got a hook and a
Fish?
fish down in there.
Take some pictures. And post.
Okay, ready?
Don't get it under there.
Okay.
I want to lift them now.
There's a hook in it. What if he
Big
dies?
boy fish.
Dad, I need the net.
I'm working on it. I'm trying to keep my pole off the ground so it doesn't break.
It's fine. It's not like we're walking around.
That looks like the bass.
Pretty close.
Do we need to net it over there?
Okay, come here. Pause. Okay, keep going.
Where is it?
You gotta wear them out. Oh, that's a big old catfish.
Don't lose them.
Gee.
You getting this
On this little pole.
We'll pull that thing that way.
Little pole that could.
You're gonna have revenge break
Dad,
it.
you want to go over there?
On the shore so it's easier.
You're gonna revenge break it.
Yeah, let me get it on the full print here.
Don't lose it.
Okay, get in. Come here.
It is the little pole that could.
Big old catfish.
Get in there, Daddy. No.
Look at this big monster. Oh my god.
Holy moly!
Nice.
Look at this monster.
Reel your line in. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that was so bad.
Look at this
Oh, just
monster.
a little wormsy.
Yeah. Worm, small pole, and just a little hook.
Okay, now don't
The
set the
little
pole
fish-
down.
Take it out and we're gonna weigh this.
Okay.
Comment down below how much you think this catfish weighs.
We're about to find out.
Let's find
Okay,
out.
set the pole somewhere so it doesn't get broken.
Here you go. I think
Hold
this
on.
has a weight limit. Comment down
Caleb,
below.
are
How much do you think it
you,
weighs?
Set
recording?
that down.
So tangled up now.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see.
What do you think, Marshall? What's he weigh? Huh?
Let's see. How much does he weigh? You have to lift him up.
No, just making sure it's zeroed out.
Okay. It says 5 pounds, 15 ounces.
Nope,
What?
6 pounds.
6 pounds. This is a 6-pound catfish.
Big one.
Oh my gosh.
Can Bubby hold it?
Like and subscribe for this 6-pound catfish.
Oh gosh. Good Dad. Do we let it go?
No, hold it. Bubby, smile.
Oh. Here you go, Dad. Hold it.
We keeping it?
No.
6
Okay.
pounds.
I don't think that was even the biggest
I'm
one.
gonna let him go, okay?
Dad, I don't even think
Tastes
that. Yeah, I don't even think that was the biggest one, Dad. That was one of the smaller ones.
Comment down below.
There.
Something
Like and
bigger.
subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.